Now today I'm going to spiffy up my brother-in-law's rims. You can see how they're all rusted and pitted. And it's car's, I don't know, about 16, 17 years old. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this. I'm just going to make it look better, and we're going to do this one. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I'm not going to sand it or anything because I don't really care. Just see if the rust is bad. Isn't that bad, it's just rusted looking. That's that. So I'm just going to get some painter's tape like this. Just go around it like that. I'm going to make no big deal out of it. Just making the car look a little better, that's all. And I just keep going. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. A piece there. And just keep going until I got it all taped up. Then I just get myself a can of Rust-Oleum. This one's called Brilliant Metal Finish. Doesn't matter what it is. I already had this shaked up. Shake it up real good and you move you don't go one, you just move it around like that until it starts catching at the bottom. Go around the sides. Keep moving it. Not too much at first. And let it sit. And a few minutes later, tacked up a little bit. Go over it again. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's a 5-minute job. Then we're going to move the car a little bit. Remove the car, and then that way we know we got the back side. Everything that wasn't showing is showing now. So that was good enough for me. And we're just taking the tape off. And I didn't see any on the side, but if you see any on the side, just get a little dirt. Rub it in against the paint if there's any dirt there, and you're good. So that all spiffied that car up a lot. Now this side, I'm going to get some sandpaper. Just take it a little more seriously. You know what I'm saying? Because the other car, I don't care. This one is a highfalutin car. Just scratch it up a little bit. Get the bad spots out. Anything that, all the big stuff. Looking better already. Then just wipe it down. And basically the same thing. Get the tape in there. Like that. And same thing. Do a little spraying. You gotta move the can, that's a secret. Then we moved the car, and then we could see anything we missed. And we just take our tape off. It's good enough to me. Like I said, you could either get the sandpaper or mud. Get a little overspray. That takes it right off. Dirties it right up. So that's good. I did my car, and I did my brother-in-law's car for $5.